there, nerds. How's it going? Kirsten here. So I needed to do an explanation because our January nerd theme is coming to an end. So we're about to finish our last Harry Potter bar. Now this bar, it's called Broomstick. It is inspired by the Nimbus 2000 or the Firebolt or whatever your favorite broomstick is. Craggy old ones that they have at Hogwarts that the first years are learning to ride on. But we wanted to make it in a certain way so it appeared as though there was wood grain, and I had a plan. We were going to do that. We did it. We tried it. It didn't quite work out exactly the way we wanted to, and we ended up with only about half a loaf that was usable as broomstick soap. So without further ado, here's the video. I'll be back later to explain what we're doing. So as you can see, because of just the length of how long it took to get the bars to do what we wanted to do, or the soap, I mean, to do what we wanted to do, it just ended up thickening up to the point where it just was not coming out of those bottles anymore. But there was still like half of the soap left in those bottles. We ended up taking all the soap out and kind of blopping it together. It still smelled amazing. It has this piney, woody, it's very unisex, but it's a very good smell. I can't even explain it completely. But yeah, either male or female would really enjoy this scent. It smells really good. Like I said, we have about half of a loaf that we were able to kind of get it to work out the way we wanted it to, but then we had all this other soap left over that was still good soap. It still smelled amazing. It just wasn't going to be able to work the way we wanted it to. So I kind of stirred it all together and it became this kind of clumpy mess, and I blopped it into blops. And yeah, we're going to sell it like that. It's, like I said, it's still good soap. It still smells amazing. But we still wanted to stick with the Harry Potter nerd theme, so let me introduce. This is the broomstick bar. We have the bark side. We have half of them. We only have 6 bars of these. So half of them are going to look like this. They're flat. They're pretty solid. They have a really cool kind of interesting look on the inside. It's a good size bar. They're a little bit bigger than our normal bars. And then half of them are just wood grain, flat bars, no bark, just really look. And like I said, they smell amazing. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So we have 6 of these, very limited quantities. So if you want one of these, grab on it. It's going to be kind of luck of the draw whether you get a bark end or a flat end, but regardless, it's still going to be the same soap. But yeah, you're going to have to jump on those. They will go on sale. But to accompany those, we also have, you're going to love this, Al Dookie soap. It's the same soap as the broomstick soap, but it's all mixed together, and I just clumped it up in little piles of turds. So here we go. Al Poop soap. I have a little bit more of these, and they will be much, much cheaper because they're just like tiny little things. We'll probably sell them for $2, $3 a piece. That's about it. But yeah, those will be up on the website on March 1st when it launches, along with all the other Harry Potter themed soaps and a few other random ones that have been really popular with our friends and family. So yeah, that ends the Harry Potter nerd theme. I think it was a success. We got 5 amazing bars out of it and a few Al Poops. Thanks for watching. See you next time.